Alrighty, y'all. So here it is. We are so close to New Year's. I'm gonna give you guys some New Year's superstitions. So this New Year coming up is gonna be great for you. Check this out. Number one, have cash in your wallet. What that does, it would encourage money to flow to you throughout the whole year. Number two, right before midnight, make sure you open up that front door and that rear door. Like that, you're gonna release all that old energy and you're gonna welcome in new energy. Very important. Number three, super important. Do not clean anything. Even if that OCD kicks your butt like it does to me, don't clean anything, because you will wash away all your good luck. So remember, do not clean anything. Get your disposable plates, spoons, forks, or whatever, and just throw it away. If there's stuff in the sink, don't worry about it. And make sure once that clock hits 12, you make as much noise as possible. Grab your pans and pots and just make some noise. Like that, you clear out old energy. So, hey, hope that helps. You guys stay blessed and have a wonderful 2024. Peace.